this is Kim. Welcome back to the Nailporn channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to bling out your nails like Cardi B using Jenny's Secret products. Before I begin filling up the nail with Swarovski, I am going to apply a layer of glitter gel polish. I am using ZT03 from the Aurora Gel 8 collection. It is a very fine goldish shimmer with a tint of silver tone. Next, I'm going to apply a layer of Jenny's Secret non-wipe top coat to seal off my glitter polish. When I bling out a full nail, I like to use a shimmer base as opposed to a solid base. I find that when I apply embellishments on a full nail, a glitter base helps fill in the gaps and make the stone's application look a lot fuller. I'm going to rough the surface of the nail with a block buffer to remove the shines from my top coat. By doing this, it helps grip my stones better. I'm using Jenny's Secret Crystal Gel to adhere my big stones. Jenny's Secret Crystal Gel has a very thick consistency, which is very good to adhere those ginormous stones. I had always used acrylics to adhere my big stones, but it is such a big mess in the winter because my acrylics would take too long to set. I'm picking up a bead of crystal gel with a dotting tool and placing it right at the center of the nail. Depending on the size of the stones, I like a big enough bead of crystal gel to properly secure the stones in place. I can adjust the placement of my stone as long as I didn't cure the nail. I love how the gel is thick and fixed in place for me to reposition how I want my stone to stand. I think I am happy with the placement of this stone, so I'm going to cure for 10 seconds in my LED lamp. I'm going to place another bead of gel right below the previous one, and I'm going to dress it up with another big stone. I love that the crystal gel is thick and fixed the stones in place. I have worked with builder gels and found that my stone would sit on one side of the nail after curing because it levels too fast. I think I am happy with the placement of this stone, so I'm going to cure for 10 seconds. Next, I'm going to use Jenny's Secret Crystal Adhesive to dress up the rest of the nail with smaller AB Swarovski crystals. This will add some drama to the nail, making it extra glamorous. I'm going to brush on the crystal adhesive label number 1 to the right section of the nail, and I'm going to begin dressing up my crystals. I do notice that the crystal adhesive is air dry, so I advise you to work in section because the product does dry out. In case you're wondering, the crystal katana I am using, one end is a dotting tool and the opposite end is made of wax, making it very easy to pick up the crystals. The dotting tool could be used for nail art or to make adjustment in the placement of your crystals. The sizes of the stones I am using are SS14, SS12, SS9, SS7, and SS5. Starting with the biggest sizes, SS14 at the top, and gradually decreases in sizes as I approach the free edge or tip of the nails. This way, the nail will look more beautiful and less bulky. Adding more crystal adhesive to the other section of the nail, I'm going to continue to add more glam to this baby, just like how Cardi B would like her nails to look. After finishing with the crystal adhesive, make sure you clean the rim and the neck of the bottle free of product before sealing your cap. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to open the next time you come around to use it. And finally, let's finish the crystal nail with some crystal finisher. Apply the crystal finisher in between gaps of the crystals to set the stones in place. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.